Hi everyone, this is Daisy and welcome to my channel. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. For today's video, we're just going to continue potting yung mga succulents na na-unbox natin last week. We are going to pot the hybrid of Lawi and Murasaki Super Bomb. We also have Muesli, variegated Mrs. Richard, Blue Opalina, variegated Luella, and the Vinci Goat. I have also prepared the tools as well as the pot that we are going to use in potting the succulents. And of course, let's not forget our top dressing, the black sand. I have already filled up the pots with the used soil mix, so we have to put fertilizer. I use Osmocote, a slow release fertilizer to give more nutrients to the used soil that we are going to use as well as to the succulents. So the first one that we are going to pot is the Luella. The variegation of Luella is so nice. Ang ganda-ganda niya talaga in person, kaya bumili ako nito. Actually, dalawa yata yung nabili kong variegated Luella nung nag-unbox ako last week. And madali lang naman siyang ipat kasi all we have to do is put it on top of the pot. And then let's add soil mix gradually. And we have to press down yung soil para hindi siya gagalaw dun sa pot. At kahit i-transfer natin siya one place to another, hindi na ma-disturb yung roots niya kasi siksik yung ating soil. So, let's add now top dressing, which is the black sand. So, throughout this video, I will be using black sand as our top dressing. So, I will be placing this Luella in the garage area. So, yung Luella dito sa lowland is madali siyang alagaan, although lapitin siya ng mealybugs. So, I guess kung madaling alagaan yung ordinary na Luella, siguro naman madaling alagaan itong variegated one. But, syempre, mag-iingat tayo kasi iba ang mga variegated one. The next one that we are going to pot is the Vinci Goat. And medyo mahaba yung stem niya. And I have to put nga pala temporarily yung mga name tags niya doon sa pot, so I won't get confused kung ano nga ba yung name and baka magkamali ako. So, it's better to put it on the pot temporarily para safe. And then, we just have to replace it with a paper sticker. Maybe next week if I have time. So, ganun lang din yung pagpapat na ginagawa ko. And para nga pala sa mga viewers ko, yung ginagamit kong soil mix, kahit used soil mix, it is composed of loam soil and pumice stone. The ratio is 50% loam soil and 50% pumice stone. Yung loam soil na nabibili dito sa amin is composed already of carbonized rice hull, vermicast, and garden soil. So parang 5-in-1 na siya or 4-in-1. The next one that we are going to pot is yung ating muesli. So, maganda rin siya. Parang purple in color. So, this is my first time that I will be having this kind of succulent in my garden. And I will be placing it dito sa garage area. Actually, lahat ng in-unbox ko last week na 4 boxes of succulents. If you haven't watched it, guys, in my channel, you can find it. Napakaganda ng mga succulent na in-unbox ko. So, para makita nyo sila lahat, please do watch it. And, huwag nyo pong kalimutang mag-subscribe dito sa channel ko. And, click the notification bell para lagi din kayong updated kung may mga bago kong upload. And I always use top dressing sa mga pots ko kasi yun nga, pinaglalaroan kasi ng housebird yung mga rice hull na nakikita nila sa soil mix. If I won't cover it with a top dressing, they will play with it until makikita ko na lang one day, punot na yung succulent or na-uproot na nila. Madedeserve na naman yung roots nila kapag pinaglalaroan ng birds yung soil mix. The next one that we are going to pot is itong Lawrence's. So, this is also my first time to have this kind of succulent here in my garden. Maganda siya, mafarina. The next one that we are going to pot is yung ating super balm. I only have one pot of super balm here in my garden. It is located in the veranda area. And this pot will stay in my garage area so I can also compare which one is a better location for super balm. In the garage, which have a bright shaded area, or a direct full sunlight morning to afternoon in the veranda area. So, I will be putting stone as an ornament and also as a support to the super balm. Kasi as I always mention in my vlogs, I'm really struggling whenever I pot succulents with long stem kasi they tend to bend or kasi they tend to fall off or natutumba sila from the pot, lalo na pagka mahangin. So, I have to support them with a stone. If the soil will be pressed down and kaya naman yung i-hold yung succulent, we don't need to put a stone. But most of the time, I put small stones and big stone. It depends on how long and how heavy yung stem ng succulent. The next one that we are going to pot is the Lawi Murasaki. Actually, it's a hybrid. It's a combination of Murasaki and Lawi. So, right now, medyo dumidilim yung camera kasi yung sun, it's morning. So, minsan nawawala siya because of the clouds. And minsan naman bumabalik siya kaya medyo lumiliwanag. Maaga ako nagpot kasi marami akong ipapot for today and maybe I will just be cutting the potting videos for 3 or to 4 videos para naman hindi sobrang haba ng ating mga vlog. So for Lawi Murasaki, I have to put stone also to support the stem kasi mabigat siya and it tumbles down or fall off whenever the winds blow. So para sure tayo na hindi siya malalaglag from the pot, I have to support it with a stone. So, yung leaves na natanggal or tinanggal ko na I think it's quite healthy naman. So, let's try to propagate it. So, the next one that we are going to pot is the Blue Opalina. This one is so chubby. And it was given to me by the seller, Jusasan Cactolants, as a free. So, if you are interested to buy this kind of succulents that are healthy, she is selling rare, semi-rare na succulents. So, please do visit her FB page, Jusasan Cactolants. I strongly recommend this seller. Mabait siya. And hindi naman ganun ka-pricey mga succulents niya. Tama lang yung price. And magaling siya mag-air dry. Nagbibigay din siya ng freebies. Just like this. Tingnan nyo naman yung pa-preview ni seller, diba? Ang ganda and super healthy. Actually, I have Opalina here in my garden. It's located in the veranda area, but it's It is a pink opalina. And the next one that we are going to pot is variegated Mrs. Richard. Actually, nahihirapan akong buhayin yung Mrs. Richard. Pero ka-family kasi siya ng Purple Delight, Super Bomb. And parang yung ordinary na Mrs. Richard is kahawig talaga siya ng Purple Delight and Super Bomb. Pero kahit nahihirapan ako na buhayin yung normal or ordinary Mrs. Richard, I wanted to try to have this kind of succulent na variegated Mrs. Richard. Why? Because I love the color ng variegated Mrs. Richard. So, to make it more healthy and an experiment, I will be putting the Mrs. Richard or the variegated Mrs. Richard here in the garage area para lagi ko siyang makikita and safe siya sa too much sunlight. So, yung mga variegated succulent, masasalan sila. Hindi sila pwede sa direct sunlight, lalo na in the afternoon sun. So, dito sa garage area namin, they can get morning sunlight, but indirect. Parang nasisinagan lang sila. So, I think 1 to 2 hours from 7 to 9 only yung sunlight na makukuha niya. Although it's bright shaded area naman. So, we're finally done potting the 8 succulents. Let's take a good look of them. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you like my sharing for today. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and share my video to your family, friends, and relatives. Bye for now. See you on my next video. Bye. God bless us all. Bye.